a question. Filter paper is used to separate the spacer disc from the soil and then compact it using a hammer of almost 5 kg weight. So now the third layer is transferred. So we'll compact it to remove the air voids that are present in the soil sample. We'll compact it to remove the air voids that are present in the soil sample. So once we are done with the 3 layers, then we'll attach a collar to the setup. We'll fix the collar to the setup and then again transfer the 4th layer of soil to the mound. So we'll give about 56 number of evenly distributed blows using a hammer of 5 kgs. So now the final layer, that is the 5th layer, is transferred. The soil is transferred and the compaction is done. We'll detach the collar from the setup. So we'll detach the screws. So once that is done, we'll remove the excess amount of soil that is present on the mold while scratching is done between each layer for bonding between the layers. So I'll click on OK. So I'll click on. We'll note down the penetration we'll note down the weight load at for every 0.5 mm penetration. So the dial gauge reading is adjusted to 0 and then for every 0.5 mm penetration we'll note down the proving ring readings. So you can see here in the tabular column the proving ring readings are noted for every 0.5 mm penetration. Then for the corresponding penetration we'll calculate the load. So the formula to calculate the load and the axial load is given here. We'll enter the value. So in case you want the answers directly, you can click on check and go to get correct answer. So we can get the load and the actual load for every penetration up to 12.5 mm. And for 5 mm penetration it is 7.14%. So now here there's a question. IRC recommended value for fine grain soil is, so here there's a hint also. For fine grain it is about 5 to 15%. So I'll click on OK. So we are done with this experiment. So for using the results, we can tell that the soil is for pavement construction. So this was one of the experiment in the transportation engineering lab. So I'll just stop sharing in case anyone wants to present. You can see. Yeah, if anyone wants to present, you can put it in the chat box, or else I can continue with the other demo, and you can, with the hands-on session can be done together. Yeah, Divyashree ma'am, you can continue.
Continue,
Yeah, you continue. Click